my citron grass. Hello everybody, this is my citron grass here. This from the last year. And this tomato. It's growing now. I will change the place for him, the sauce. Yeah. And this some Asia salad kumuse here also, but this this is grass. Here some my garden today a lot of rain, and I just stay inside. I did not work for the garden today. Yeah, see my paprika yet now it's so big. Maybe the next week I can start it. He also started to cut, and this one I will cut tomorrow. You see the chili is bigger now. I have two, and yeah, should be tomorrow I will cut it. Today is at the late evening. That's a pumpkin, but the small one. Every day always different, little bit from the garden. I take every day. And here, and this also the pumpkin, but this is the long one, not the short one.